Hi guys, it's Helen from Daisy Graze Farm, and this afternoon I'm going to head down to the veggie patch and pull out all of the tomatoes and zucchini plants in the raised beds. So come along. I've got to pick a bunch of green tomatoes off first, and then I'll get stuck into ripping the plants out. So here we go. This is what it looks like now, and after everything's pulled out. So we've finished planting out our raised garden beds, and we've still got quite a bit of planting to go. We have to put in our onions, our swede, and plant in the big long bed as well. So in that one is going to be our broad beans, our peas, kohlrabi, snow peas, pak choi, and that's about it, I think. So still a fair bit of planting to go for our winter season. But this raised bed area is now done, so we can just watch it grow. I've got to plant also some lettuce seedlings as well. So let's head inside. I'm going to weigh in the tomatoes and the butternut pumpkin. Okay guys, I'm back in the kitchen. I'm just going to quickly weigh the last few butternut pumpkins and the last of the tomatoes that I got off the plants. Okay. Alrighty, 3.44 kilos. So that's the tomatoes. There we go, that's the butternut pumpkin, 5.8 kilos. Okay guys, so that's all done for this video. Thank you so much to everybody who has been watching our videos. Please leave a comment in the comment section. We love to read all your comments, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.